Good afternoon, my name is Alice and I'm from Jane's Tour, Singapore. Today, we are all locked up in our home because of this COVID-19 pandemic. But that doesn't stop us from bringing what Singapore has to offer to you. So let me introduce you to a humble plant here where we call the pandan. Alright, it's a local plant that grows actually almost anywhere, not only in Singapore but in the Southeast Asia region. And what does this plant do? It actually enhances the flavor of our food. So I'm going to show you what I bake here is the pandan flavored cake. Pandan flavored cake is like a sponge cake which uses oil instead of butter. And look at the sponginess of the cake. Okay. So how does this do? This is, if you look at the coloring, is actually the natural coloring from the plant itself, the extract. And the next item I'm going to show you is the egg custard jam. This egg custard jam, if you look at the color again, it is the natural color from the extract of the plant. And how do we eat this? We usually eat it in the morning with our toast. And the coconut and pandan works well. It enhances each other's flavor. It complements each other. So the next item I want to show you is it can be made into a drink as well. This is a lemongrass pandan drink. Look at the natural color itself. This drink itself, it helps to distress. At the same time, it also helps if you are having constipation. So this is a good drink after a heavy meal. It will help. And what does this pandan leaf do is that it not only goes with our food, but it's also an insect repellent. If you were in Singapore, if you were to take our public transport, especially the taxis, sometimes you can, as you enter the taxi, you can actually smell this nice fragrance in the taxi. It is not the perfume or air freshener, but it is from the pandan leaves. But how does this help beside giving the flavor, the smell to the in the taxi, but it also an insect repellent. So when you have this plant in your house, you actually chases away the cockroaches as well as the mosquitoes. So another item, if you can see over here, is one of the top 50 food items that you want to try in the world. And one of it is found here in Singapore. Which is the Hainanese chicken rice. So how does this plant enhance the flavor of the chicken rice? So if you can see, the rice is actually enhanced by when I steam it with the rice using the leaves. At the same time, I put into the cavity of the chicken to enhance the flavor of the chicken. So does this whet your appetite now? I hope to see you soon in Singapore when this pandemic is over. Thank you for watching.